Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and I'm doing a video after a long time. So as if you're new to my channel, I just want to introduce myself. Welcome to Tam Predicts, and I am a psychic medium and I read my cards intuitively. I use a lot of tools to channel, and I am guided by my spirit guides, my archangels, and my ascended masters, and I channel the messages and give them to you. So this is a timeless reading right now what I'm doing, but it's for the coming week. So whenever you hear this reading, just add 7 days. Remember, this is a general reading. I'm saying that again. So whatever applies to your situation, it is fine. You can use the guidance, but also remember, in the end, you are the best judge of your situation, and you know what to do. Remember that, okay? And do it with confidence. So this card just fell out. Maybe this is the highlight of the week. I wanted to give a highlight of the week card. So this almost fell out, and it's a buffalo, and it says, my thoughts, emotions, words, and actions are in alignment with the highest good for all concerned. So I think it's a coming week. It's about balance. That's what I feel. I feel you're a tough fighter. You will be a tough fighter. That's what I feel. And I also feel you also generous. You're pretty generous with your friends. And I also feel that there is some kind of resources that are coming your way. It could be money, it could be resources that you need to help yourself or your business or anything. Some kind of resources are here. I also feel that in this coming week, you'll have a pretty much peaceful attitude. Look at the face. It's like pretty peaceful. It's not charging or something. So this coming week will be peaceful for you. And I also feel that you have made peace with the situation. That's another message that I get while I hold this card. It is something about taking it's taking a stand but being peaceful about it. There was no fight, and it's being much at peace. I want to say that coming week, it's not going to bother you. Something is not going to bother you. That's the message I'm getting again and again. So something is not going to bother you this week. You already know what's coming in for you, and you are happy. This is somebody who's peaceful. um, Let me see if there's another message that I want to give you in this. I'm not going to say you resign to your fate, but you know what's happening. You're not charging anymore. You're not charging like a bull anymore, or you've settled. Most you feel more settled, you feel more calm. That's the kind of messages that I get with this card. Let's see what are the other messages for you. Any present situation, any current situation, and the coming week. I'm going to take one card for the present, which means how you're feeling today. Don't let your pride come in. So that's what I think you did let your pride come in when you were dealing with something. So I would want you to keep your pride aside, because this situation doesn't need a clash of thoughts, doesn't need any kind of fight. I feel things can be done peacefully, and that's what you're realizing. That's another message that I get, that you will realize that you don't need to fight with someone. It can be solved amicably. So that's another message. So coming week, it's going to be good for you. That's what I feel. Let's see what are the other messages. How is the coming week going to be? You will release something. That's what I feel. You've been wanting to release something for the past few months. It's been very difficult for you to release the person or the job or the thoughts or whatever negative is sitting in your head. I feel you're going back to the same thing. It's also somebody who's going back. You're releasing the person. I'm going to say the person. You're releasing the person. You're going back to the person. You're releasing the person. You're going back to the person. So there's a lot of back and forth, and I think it's going to continue the next. It's going to continue in the coming week too. That's another message that I get. Let's see how is the coming week going to be for you. Confidence is your key. I don't know if I'm talking to a Leo. Did your confidence get shaken? Were you dealing with someone where the person did shake your confidence, or is it a job, or is it a loved one? But I feel the next 7 days you're going to be back to who you are. That's what I feel. You lost yourself somewhere. You took a back seat, but you are now back in the game. That's another message that I get for the coming 7 days. You back to what you were, like a lion. So maybe you release something in between. This is how the person made you feel, or this is how your job made you feel. So you've decided to give up your job. Maybe you decided to, speak to your boss. So this is some kind of releasing that's going to happen, and that's going to make you feel better. These are all thoughts in your head. That's what I get, and this is more confidence in the coming week. I also get Sag energy. I don't know if you're a Sag and this is your situation. I also get Sagittarians are dealing with this situation. One more card for the coming week. Step out of your comfort zone. I think you were not stepping out of your comfort zone. You were scared of something, either in the relationship, or you were so comfortable in the relationship or in the job that you did not want to come a step out of it. You didn't know how will it be if you step out of what, the routine you used to, or you've been used to being with the person. But I think in the coming week, these are decisions, that you're going to make. These are big decisions that you're going to make. Releasing someone, being out of your comfort zone, you'll feel more confident in the coming week. It's like probably, your boss used to boss around and you could not tell him anything, and you just gave in, and suddenly you realized, this was self-realization that you have to say something, or the situation is going to continue. It is going to go out of hands. Let's see what are the other messages that you need to know. You were invisible wherever you were, either it was a relationship or a job. So this is what was happening to you. I want to see what will it be. There are blessings, so you're going to change. Something is going to change in your life. It could be a new job that you really wanted, or it could be a new love, or you probably could not release the person. So in the coming week, you are going to release the person. I feel you dealing with a man. I feel you're a woman listening to this and dealing with a Libra man. I get a lot of Libra. I get a lot of Piscean energy. I also get fire signs. It's almost having wings to fly. You'll be blessed and you'll fly away. You could be a man listening to this and you're not really happy in your job. What's the outcome? One card for the outcome. After 7 days, what will happen? After the coming week, what will happen? After the 7 days, what will happen? I want to give one outcome card. You will be moving. I told you guys, you're moving on. You're leaving your job, you're moving on, you're moving out of the relationship. Probably the relationship is very toxic, or the situation that you are in, you're moving on. I also feel change of house. I feel change of house, and I feel number 20 is important for you. Number 2 is important for you in the coming week, whenever you're listening to this. I feel don't lose hope, because you had hope in your mind. You thought, there's something can be done to the situation. You can rescue the situation. That's why you could move on. This is confidence coming to you next week. And I feel brown is going to be a good color. I don't know why I say brown. I don't know. Do you get attracted to brown, or do you wear a lot of brown, or you just got something that's in your favorite color? Brown is your favorite color. Brown. That's another message that I get. Let's see if I get any money messages, any other messages. You are going to move. This card almost jumped out. So we had 2 moving cards. I feel another 6 days you're going to move out of something. Are you going to, did you get a letter? Are you already, or have you already resigned and you're moving on? Have you already said that you're moving on? You've got a fantastic job opportunity. You're moving away with your family. You were in a place where your family was away, and you've got a job where you can move with your family. So next week that's going to happen. There'll be justice. Of course, something was not right. To whoever is listening to this video, justice will be served. You've been waiting for justice for a long time. You're going to be in a happy place now. You're going to move out of something. Is it you were not even happy in your family? Were there fights and you want to move on? You want to stay independently? That's another message that I get. I'm going to do 2 cards. What's going to happen in the coming 7 days. 7 number came out. You have everything, you have everything in your hand. Do something about it. Do something about it. Create something with it. You've got all the resources. Remember when I picked up the first card, it said resources, and this is exactly what it says. You have everything in your hand. Just don't waste it. You're wasting the opportunity, because I feel an opportunity, a door is open right now for 7 days. That's another message that I get. It's going to close after 7 days. So either you have to make good of it. You have to make good of that opportunity. Money will be coming in from somewhere. You will get resources. Exactly why I got the first card, and this says it all. One more card. What's going to happen in the coming 7 days? In the coming week? Yes, you're going to get money. The situation is pretty clear. You're going to move into a new job. You're going to get much more money there. There will be justice. Everything will be right. There will be a balance of resources. Probably you didn't have much money in your hand. Probably you wanted more money. The situation demanded more money. Somebody was not well in the family. You needed money for the operation. I don't know. I just got that message. I just want to give one card more. Yes, movement, chariot. They're all speaking the same thing. Different cards, but I feel it's all the same. 7 days is very important. You're going to make a decision that makes you move on to something, move away from something that wasn't right. And seven, you're going to see seven a lot. I think you're going to see 777. Also something to do with seven. Maybe it's in your phone number, maybe it's your birth date, maybe the company you work for, or maybe the person you're going around with is a 7 number. That's another message that I get. Let's see what the romance angel cards are saying for you for the relationship. How is this week going to be? So I'm going to do a past, present, future for this one. I'm going to do it a bit differently. So flirt came out and there's a past life relationship. I think some of you did cut somebody off. It's a cord that's been cut. I'm going to say it's a cord. You were really attached to the person. You were really attracted to the person, but something happened. You had to cut them off. But flirt came. I'm just going to take flirt. So you are in a relationship and it's all starting with flirting. So I'm going to do a past, present, and future. Past, present, and future. Past, present, and future. Past life relationship. Again, this card came out. Past life relationship. Past. Is that you moved on from that person, or you feel you met somebody who really did understand you? What's the present situation with the person? Remember, these are all different messages. Could be one story, could be just one message for you, and you'll understand it. Finances and career came in between. I think the person really liked you. You were together, but finances or something career separated you. The person had to move on, or you had to move on away from that person. Something like that. There was distance, there was space because of finances, or because of finances was there a fight? You weren't really happy. Something wasn't right. Yeah, the future is a separation. So there's a financial problem between you two. Finances came in between you two. So that's why the whole reading is around that. There's a separation. You're going to get separated from someone. You're going to move on. It's going to be happier for you. I feel that. But you did feel this was a strong relationship, strong connection. You always felt that. But something happened in between. Finances are coming big time in your way. I also get the message losing money. You've lost money or something. For all the other signs, I'm going to take out a message. For the elements, I think I'm going to take out a message. Fire, water, earth, air. For the fire sign, what's the message? One message for the coming 7 days. Fire sign, fire sign. Let your friends help you. Maybe you'll find somebody through your friends. Or if you're going through a tough time, fire signs, let the friends help you. Let your friends help you. Turn to your friends. Let's see what the water sign is saying. Soulmate. Water sign. The person you are with is your soulmate. Yes, and it feels like that. I don't know why I feel they miss you. And you two are coming closer to each other. Getting together. I'm going to do, this is fire and this is water. I'm going to do air signs. Heart-to-heart conversations. A lot of conversations with your loved ones. I feel if the door of communication was closed, in the past, but the doors are opening now. You two are getting together. These are nice cards. Speaking to each other, talking a lot, chatting a lot, having a heart-to-heart conversation, saying things you never said to each other. This is moving on also in a relationship in a good way, taking the relationship to another level. Earth sign, what is the message for you? Soulmate, a lot of soulmate energy in the coming week. So you are going to go towards your soulmate. Maybe that's why there was a break in the relationship for a lot of you. You were not really comfortable with the person you are with right now. Wanted to move on. So you're actually going to find your soulmate soon. That's another message that I get. So this is a beautiful reading, guys. I don't know why, but I want to take one unicorn message. One message for the next week. See if it applies. If it applies to you, it's great. But I feel I have to give one more message. One more unicorn message. One more unicorn message. One more unicorn message. One more unicorn message. What message do you want to give? What message do you want to give the reader, the listeners? I'm not going to say the readers, People who are listening to my channel, one message for the coming week. Hope. I told you there was hope. Remember, I spoke of the word when I was talking. I didn't take the card, but I saw this card and I thought it did belong in the reading. There is hope in the situation. Things are going to be better. If things were messier, they're going to get sorted out. If you wanted to move on, you're going to move on. If you wanted to leave your job, I feel you're going to find a new job. If you wanted to move on in a relationship and you did move on, I feel you're going to find somebody really nice who is your soulmate. Okay, so that's what I feel. So there is hope. As long as there is hope, everything is fine. So this is a beautiful reading. So bye guys. Thanks for listening to my channel, and I'll be back. Do subscribe to the channel. Do hit the like button and do comment below. And I always read the comments and always reply. And I'll be back with another reading soon. Thank you guys. Bye.